Alright, how you doing, YouTube? Back here working on my 2007 Suzuki V-Strom. I just purchased this bike and doing a little bit of the maintenance and fixing a couple little things on the bike that were broken. One of those items is this handguard is broken. It's cracked. The previous owner dropped it on its side, and it also broke off the hand control here. So what I'm going to do is replace this lever. He included a lever with the bike, so we're going to take that off, and we're going to see if we can just, he did include new handguards, but I'm probably going to drop it again. So we're just going to see, because I plan on doing some light off-road, maybe some fire trails, things like that. So if the bike falls over again, it might break it all the way. So I'm going to just try to see if I can do a little repair on this to keep it together. If not, I'll put the new handguards on it. But we're going to take those off, take this lever off, replace this lever because I don't like how it's broken. I sometimes do two-finger break it, which is great, but if you're in an emergency situation and you need to brake with all of your hand, you get more force out of your ring finger and your pinky finger than you do the other hands because of the length of the lever. So I would like to have a repaired lever on it. So we're going to go ahead and do that today. I'm going to break these two, this bolt loose and this screw that goes through here to hold the handguards on, and then we'll remove the lever off. I don't think I'm going to have to do anything with the switch. I think the lever just slides right out. So we'll find out as we go. Okay, I forgot to mention this is a 10mm nut that's on the bottom of this, at least on my setup. It's probably the same for all of them. I didn't have to do anything to the throttle cables to move those out of the way or anything. The screw came right out of the top. So now we're going to try to take this off, which I think it looks bigger than a 10. It looks like it might be a 13. So I will grab that and take that off and be back. Okay, got the bolt out. It was a 12mm, not a 13, and then just pulled the handle off. So I'll get the new handle and put it on the same way I took it off. Just like I said, just threaded this out. I did have to just kind of push on the throttle cables just a hair just to get that lower one out of the way to get that nut out, and it came right out. Okay, got the new handle on and the nut started. I did put just a little thin layer of grease on this bolt since it does go against that handle and rotates. So I'm just going to tighten this down, and then we'll put the nut on the bottom and see what we can do with that handguard. See if we can patch it up a little bit to make it last a little bit longer. Like I said, I do have a new one, but you know what? I would rather just use this old one till it's completely broken and not usable. Alright, here's my little fix for the crack on the handguard. Just drilled 4 holes, used two small zip ties. I think it'll be enough to hold it together for now. And like I said, I have another one, so if it breaks off, not a big deal. Alright, so now I've got this tightened all the way back down onto the handle. So I'm going to put the nut back on, just get it started, and then I'm going to put the handguard on and tighten all that down. Alright, got the new handle on. Feels a lot better. I also have the handguard back on with its nice little fix, and it's very sturdy, so this may last forever. I don't know, but I'm happy with it. I think it's good to go. So yeah, thanks for watching. I hope this helps you out. Please like, subscribe. I'll have other maintenance coming up on this bike. Some different things I'm planning on doing to it. So please follow, hit that subscribe button, hit the bell, and I really appreciate it. Thank you.